Hello, today we are going to replace a battery on iPhone. In this video we will use broken iPhone. I will replace the screen as well, and if you want to see a video about screen replacement, just check out the link above. This video is just about battery replacement. Okay, let's get started. You can do it by yourself with an ordinary iPhone toolkit in about half an hour. So the first you want to do is to remove those two screws at the bottom side of the phone. Just don't forget to switch off your phone. And now you can use a suction cup and a really thin screwdriver just to press the frame of the phone down. Don't apply any force to the screen. At that moment you can use thin plastic triangle from your toolkit to gently open the bottom size of the phone. Now you should open it very carefully because there is a tiny ribbon cable attached to the home button that plugs into the port below. There is a little metal cover here. Just put your plastic tool underneath it and lift it gently. Now you can unsnap this metal ribbon. And now we can open the phone wide enough to get to those two screws here near the battery. You want to disconnect the battery. Then you want to unscrew those 4 screws. Let's remove this metal plate and unsnap those 3 ribbon cables that connects display with the main board. It's easy, but you don't have to apply force on it. Now you can untouch those 2 parts. And now, how to get out the old battery? There is an adhesive underneath it. You should take this black part and pull it very gently. If you will be able to pull it out without tearing, the battery will just fall off. But it's not so easy, and if you tear it, you should try again. The first one went out relatively easy. If you can't get to that adhesive, you should try any possible tool to get it. But if it's not possible, you should try to lift one side of the battery with a plastic tool and try to grab it from one side. And try to pull at least one part out of there. After that you can grab it by fingers and repeat the process. Now you can separate battery from the phone. If there is some adhesive left there, just remove it. And now you should unpack the new purchased battery. To hold it in there, we will use double-sided tape. Now you should place the battery inside the phone. Now we want to plug in the screen. There are 3 ribbon cables here. You can do it either by a finger or by plastic tool. And now we can attach battery connector in its place. And before putting those metal plates in their places, let's test how our screen works. Just close it gently and press switch in button. It looks very good. If there are lines or it doesn't switches on, you should check ribbon cable connection with the main board. If it's working, switch off the phone and place those metal plates in their places. There are 4 screws in a bigger metal plate and 2 screws in the smallest one. And now the hardest part. We should attach this ribbon cable. First you want to place the top of the screen into the frame to keep it stable while we are working with that ribbon cable. So now you want to place this ribbon cable above the connector and press it gently down. You can use either your finger or the plastic tool from the set. And now there is the hardest part. You should take this little metal piece and place it on top of this ribbon cable port. Upper part should go inside first. And then you want to press it down by the plastic tool. Now you can gently press the screen inside the frame of the phone. Put those 2 screws back in their places. And test the phone. It looks great. That's all for now. Don't forget to give me a like if it was helpful to you. See you next time.